Wakanda forever! Mr. Tony, I don't feel good.
It's Mr. Stark.
I love you 1000.
She says that.
Hi everyone!
Hi.
Welcome back to my so-so mukbang video. So today I have noodles, Nepali wai, scrambled eggs, papad, and plain rice. This is what it looks like. It's really good raw and cooked. I highly recommend you all try it. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Peace out.
Let me put this in.
Did you make it spicy?
Yeah. It's mild. Anda? So.
Knocking on our door. I don't like it. It's weird.
Do you want more eggs?
Do you think Loki's still alive?
People say so.
Because he's gonna have a movie.
Well, that movie could have been story before he was, you know, dead. So,
Remember that part when Tony Stark time traveled
yeah.
and then they saw their future self and then Loki was there and then
Wait, really?
yeah,
What movie?
like Trapped, Endgame, like the old Loki, and then he had the blue stone and then he just teleported.
But he died. Thanos killed him, no? No, that was a different scene. Before Thanos happened, no? I just... So good. Are you able to eat noodles without breaking it? Like, you know, you put a spoonful of noodles,
Yeah.
and it's really long. But like, we tend to just bite it.
Yeah.
Are you able to do it without? Do you want to try?
I need more.
You need more, Mom?
No.
Okay, don't bite it. It's a challenge, okay? I'll do the same.
Okay.
It's short. This one's short.
Well.
Mm. Mm-mm.
Mm.
Mm.
I'm finished.
Oh, mine too. It was short, that's why. It's difficult for us, no?
Who would win in a fight? Captain America or the Hulk?
Captain America.
Hmm? Why?
Hulk is weak.
No, you're not.
Mm. Every time we see him,
The Hulk technically has...
someone beats him up.
The Hulk technically has the super serum, just like Captain America.
Okay. But he's so weak. Like Thor beats him. Iron Man beats him. Captain America beats him.
We've never seen him
He's
fight.
just a big guy.
We've, Iron Man won because of his Hulkbuster thing.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen Captain America and Hulk fight.
That will never happen now. Because Captain America is old.
Well, so you know how like everybody got snapped?
Yeah.
Not everyone. It took them 5 years to get them back, right?
Yeah.
Something years.
Yeah.
And then, isn't it like the people who got snapped? Doesn't it like? It feels like to them it took 5 seconds to get back.
Yeah. For them, they never died. Mr. Tony, I don't feel good.
It's Mr. Stark.
Take 2. Mr. Stark, I don't feel good.
Brett.
Do you want some eggs?
Mm.
Pwede noodle. Okay. Let's act out Marvel scenes.
Okay.
So I did mine. You do yours now.
I never freeze.
Which one's that?
From Black Panther.
Wakanda forever!
Too loud.
You wanna do it together?
Wakanda.
No,
Wait, I can't.
Wakanda forever!
It's gonna hurt.
Was that too loud?
Yeah.
They did. They say it loud.
Yeah.
No,
Really?
Wakanda forever.
They say it louder than you.
And with deep voice. Take 2. Wakanda forever. Which one do you like better? Of these all?
Under.
Under? Half. We only have one, so
Okay.
half. Okay. So another one? I know. I love you 1000. Oh no. Does the little kid say that or Tony says it?
Little kid.
I love you 1000.
She says that in bed.
Okay.
I got one.
She does. When she's about to sleep.
Yeah.
Another one is.
I have stood so still that I am technically invisible.
Who says that?
Guardians of the Galaxy. That
Oh my gosh, why don't I remember that?
Batista God.
Okay, I know another one. My name is Groot. Groot dies!
He's gonna come back.
But he's not himself no more.
I want baby Groot.
Baby Groot's cute though. But both are cute. They would have been happy family. Father.
Oh, the Anda.
Father Groot and Baby Groot.
Father Groot and baby Groot.
You know he can stretch. His branches
Yeah,
can
I know.
stretch. Marvel did no justice to Groot. Huh? He died.
You know how Thanos killed Drax's family?
Yeah.
In Endgame, I wanted to, or Infinity War, I wanted to see them battle.
He would have died.
Yeah.
Yeah. One flick and he would have died. He's a big guy, average humans, but in front of Thanos and in front of Avengers, he's nothing.
You got a good one. Who's stronger, Groot or Hulk? Hulk.
Hulk is like, oh, he'll break everything, to be honest.
Hulk has
I can kind of picture their fight. And I see that Groot is trying to grow, his branches around him and tie him around. But he's just like, he just breaks it. That's what he does, right?
Yeah. He's breaking more heavier stuff.
Yeah.
Black Panther versus Captain America.
Captain America.
Huh?
is not that strong. You know, these are jalapenos. It's not that spicy. The red ones are. That was good, huh? Yes. Mà đa thật sự chứ. Tôi đi ăn. Okay, thank you so much for watching our mukbang video, and if you like to see more of our videos where we talk about Marvel movies and characters, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know down on the comment box below. Do you want to say something, Ayus?
Who would win in a fight, Hulk or Captain America?
That's a question for you all. Until next time. Okay, bye.